This is the 2015 Triumph Street Triple R. Same bike as 2014. Not much has changed. I believe there's a little bit of a price bump. Just a fantastic motorcycle. You can't go wrong with one of these. The white is a hard bike to find, at least here in California. They sell pretty fast. A lot of guys are lining up with deposits on these bikes. So if you want one, probably should jump on it early in the season. There's still some 2014s out there which you can get a deal on, but color, you're not going to have a ton of selection on color. So you just got to get on the phone if you want a 14, which is, it's a good buy. If you can get a 14, you should buy one. But the 15s are out now, and that's what they look like. Here we go. 675 R Street Triple. We just got off of the Daytona, and I feel instantly more comfortable on this motorcycle. Me. Enough is enough. This light's below. So does this clutch lever. Needs some adjustment. As I was saying, I do like the top mounted bars. Just so used to that body movement of having a wider grip, elbows out. Man, what a light, flickable motorcycle. It's 112 horsepower. Very responsive, but not unstable. Boy, this bike is a hoot. £402, 112 horsepower. A little less than the Speed Triple as far as a weight to horsepower ratio, but very close. But much more flickable. This would probably be the better bike for me to own, but I prefer the Speed. It just suits me. This bike feels really good. This might be the perfect combination of motorcycle. The triple, spectacular power delivery, this motor, even power with a naked bike configuration. It's just a great combination. Making a fucking movie here. Well, that was fun. Listen to that. It's irresistible. The stock exhaust sounds okay. Nobody seems to know. This bike is fun, and fun is what it's all about. That's why you buy a motorcycle. Come on, cowboy.